In this simple tutorial, we'll learn how to download and install ChatGPT-4 for your PC or laptop. ChatGPT is a popular chatbot and it is designed for conversational interactions and can engage in dialogue with users on a wide variety of topics. You can easily download it and use it on your Windows device. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And without wasting your time, let's start with the tutorial. Open your web browser and you want to go to get-scm.com. I'll leave the website link in the description of this video so you can open it from there. Once you open this website, you want to click on the Downloads button right here, and then select your operating system. This is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac devices. Then click on this blue button which says click here to download the latest version of Git for Windows. And when you download the installer, simply open it and run it. After running the installer, open your browser one more time and then you want to click here to go back to the git-scm page. You need to copy this command which says git clone. We will use this code for later, so just copy it. After these steps, you want to go to your desktop and then create a new folder. You can name it whatever you want to, but I'll name it after my channel. And then we need to create another folder inside of this one. We will name this folder GPT for all. Now, we need to click on this folder URL and type cmd into it. This will open our command prompt which we will use to install the Git. You need to paste the code that we had copied from the Git website and hit enter. The command will start cloning the repository on my PC, as you can see on my screen right here. You will have to wait a couple of seconds or minutes depending on your PC specs. After that is finished, we can continue with the installation of ChatGPT-4 on our device. We have to open our web browser in order to download the GPT-4 model. When you open the browser, you want to open this website, and I'll leave the site link in the description. Once you are on this page, you want to scroll all the way down until you can see this chat client section, and simply select your operating system. I'll select Windows, and once it downloads you want to run the installer for this GPT-4 model. After you run it and install it on your device, simply run the GPT-4 shortcut that's created on your desktop. It will prompt you with 3 different models that have different sizes. You can select any of these that you think will be the best for you, and click on the download button. Now you will have to wait a couple of minutes or a couple of hours until it downloads, and it all depends on your internet connection. The faster your internet is, the shorter the wait time. And copy this download path as you may need it for later to find where you downloaded the model. Once your GPT-4 model downloads, you can exit this page and then open the model by clicking on the GPT-4 shortcut that is on your desktop. And we've successfully installed ChatGPT-4 on our PC. You can start using it now and you can ask it anything you want. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you will enjoy. See you in the next one.